handwriting in a drawer, dust on pages, nothing more. But every line still burns my skin, like fire living deep within. Your ink ran wild across the page, like love trapped inside a cage. Promises in black and blue still smell a little bit like you. The porch light shakes against the storm. The house feels colder than before, and every room still knows your name, like thunder calling in the rain. Wildfire letters in my head, burning truths I understand. Love can leave without a sound, but still burn everything around. Wildfire letters in the dark, lighting up my broken heart. Words don't die when love is gone, they keep burning on and on. Your old guitar leans by the wall, strings untouched since your last call, and silence hums inside the wood, like songs that ended where they stood. I drive the roads we used to take, past the river, past the lake, and every mile feels like a scar, trying to heal but staying hard. The wind keeps pushing through the trees, like your voice inside the leaves, soft enough to make me stay, strong enough to pull me away. Wildfire letters in the rain, still alive inside my veins. Every word you left behind keeps replaying in my mind. Wildfire letters in my chest, never letting my heart rest, like sparks trapped inside the bone, keeping me from moving on. Did you mean the things you wrote, or were they just words to hold? A temporary place in time before you left this life of mine. Maybe paper keeps the truth long after love stops breaking through. Maybe ink remembers pain long after people change. Wildfire letters in the night, still burning through the fading light, turning ash into a flame, calling softly out your name. And if I let these pages go, would the fire finally slow, or would the wind just carry you back into my empty room? Morning breaks the storm apart, but rain can't cool this living heart. Your words still glow in amber light, like fire surviving through the night. Wildfire letters in my soul, burning pieces I can't hold. And even if the flames die too, the smoke still leads me back to you.